Hi everyone and welcome back to episode 2 of the Charlie Boorman revamp project that we've got going on at Leighton Vans. So as you'll have seen in the first episode, we had the van on the turntable. Charlie had just dropped it off, explained a little bit of the direction that he wanted to go in with his original LV van that he bought around 5 years ago. So first job was for us to take a look inside. This does get used as a daily driver for carrying motorbikes, people, camping gear, anything else that Charlie wants to throw in the back. So it's had 5 years of some good use out of it. So the carpet was looking a little bit tired. The suede panels could do with some attention, things like that. So what we've done is the lads have inspected the carpet, they've inspected the suede, they've decided it's not up to our standard. So they have took it all out and they have recarpeted the van completely fresh. What we've also done, which Charlie doesn't know about just yet, is we've put in some storage pockets in the rear quarter panels, which are in-house designed, brought up on CAD and cut by Daz on our CNC machine, and he's done an awesome job of those. And while Daz were doing those pockets, he thought, do you know what? Why don't we do a little bit of a special halo roof in there for Charlie? So that's what Davey and Leighton are fitting in the back of the van behind me right now. We're going for a slightly one-off design of a halo roof, just something a bit weird and wonderful, which fingers crossed Charlie will like. But obviously that still retains all of the touch LEDs down either side. It's got the halo effect lighting that runs around the trim that's sunk into the roof, and that's going to look really, really cool when it's done. Next stage, after these boys have fitted that roof, is they're going to take Charlie's original seats over to the leather trimming area. We're going to rip this old leather off that's looking a little bit worn. There's a couple of rips in it from the use that Charlie's had out of the van. So we're going to strip that leather back and we're going to fit our sport seats. So we're going to replace the foam on the back of the 2 single seats for a bigger, more bolstered, more secure, better feeling foam. And we're then going to add one of our leather kits to suit said sport seats onto Charlie's seats, and they're going to get fitted back into this van. One of the last things that we're going to be doing, which partly is detailing, which is going to be a later episode, but partly conversion, is this floor has had mucky motorbikes, mucky camping gear, I'd presume mucky dogs and things like that on it. So we're going to take that floor out, and the detailing guys, they're going to bring that back to being a brand new shiny combi floor, and that's just going to finish that look of the van off inside and going to bring it back to life on the interior. But yeah, these guys are doing an awesome job. They're coming up with some really good ideas for Charlie. We've got a lot of things in the works over the next couple of weeks with other partners, other couple of ideas that we've had. So I'm really, really excited, and I'm really excited for you guys to follow the journey through right up to when Charlie collects.